Is Shay. Shay, besides having this gorgeous curly hair and this smile that lights up a room, Shay is a twin mom. Her and her husband have a gorgeous set of twins, a girl and a boy, and we've been friends for a while. She reached out to me and said, listen, if you need a model of any kind, let me know. So we're going to take this 7.11 double ash. Why are we using double ash as her base shade today? She's got a lot of warmth, Olaplex, and we're going to have this to be her base shade. We're going to create what I want to call autumn leaves ombre hair color on her curls, and we're going to silk it out. Now this is a link check, so she's going to be wearing this as curls, but we're going to go in and silk it out in order to do some trimming. She has not had a trim in a while, so this shade could go either way, right? It could be